Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is a new and latest 70mm dash cam Pro Plus. I want to give out the shout out to Chloe from 70mm marketing for sending me this so I could do the unboxing. This one is the 2-inch IPS screen. 1944p resolution and 5 megapixel camera, dual channel front and rear recording, 24-hour parking surveillance, built-in GPS and ADAS. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what's the camera look like. So you can see 70mm. And then there's a warning about the battery. So this one is the 70mm hardware kit. Oh, thank you Chloe for sending me this. Wow, so this one is the 70mm dash cam Pro Plus rear cam set. So it's a 2.7 Ultra SD video, app enabled, dual channel recording, and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. So 2.7 Ultra HD video, app enabled, dual channel recording, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. And then here's the 70mm branding right there. So this one is the model number A500S-1. Input is 5 volt, 2 amp. So the lens is field of view is 140 degree, f1.8, and then that's their website right there. And this one's made in China. And here's the dimension right there. 83 by 60.5 by 37.9 millimeter. And this is the barcode right there. As you can see, product date is January 2021, new and latest. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Box is so tight. So on the cover, you got the pamphlet over here. So you got the two of the oval one. And this is for your windshield. And then there's another one right here, the rectangular one. So this one is both for the rear. So the oval one is for the front, and you get the second one in case you want to put it on the second car. Oh, so I got two of the rectangular one too. And come with the double-sided tape or pad. And then here's another one too. This one is a 70-mile rear camera user manual. And you can scan the QR code for the online guide. And then right here is a 70-mile dash cam Pro Plus user guide. So let's go ahead and check it out right here. So this one is the rear camera. You already have a double-sided tape right there. And then this is a connection right there. Oops, somehow it came on already. I must press it by accident. This is a screen protector. So let's go ahead and set up English. Let's go and check out different languages. So you're gonna press the check right here. There are 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. The arrow up, arrow down, check it to confirm English. Welcome to 70-mile dash cam Pro Plus. So green mean recording, blue mean not in the recording mode, red mean error. So this is to go back. Let's go next. Tap the touch screen on or off. That's the big button right here. Press and hold the power off. So he presses to power off and hold it down. And press and hold to turn it on. So we're going to go ahead and set the date. February 10. Right now it's 3. $23. parking surveillance. Download the app.
Please insert SD card.
So I will need to insert the SD card. Here's some of the connection right here. With the DC input, AV input must be for the rear camera, and then a micro SD card right here. And you got the 70 mic branding right here deposited. It's a speaker. And this one allows you to rotate different angle. Let's see what else is in here. Must be all the cables for the connection. So this is a mounting for the windshield. And this is a tool to insert your wiring for your car. So this one is more secure. And then you got the dual USB Type A secret light adapter. And then a long cable for your rear camera. Wow, yeah, this one is pretty long. Let's see how to connect this. And then this cable is for the power for the main dash cam. So if you have the USB connection for your car already, you don't need this secret light adapter. So yeah, this one is pretty good design. You need to connect your power first. And then do it like that. Wow, nice. By the way, I forgot to open this one real quick. This one is a car kit hardware for the 24-hour parking surveillance. So you need to connect this to your fuse box. And here the wiring right here. So you have the positive and then ground, and then this one is the ACC, alright? Oh yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to install this and then review on this and do some recording for you guys to check them out. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to Chloe for sending me this, and I will be including the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check them out. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.